push it. Yeah, push it. You have to go up and push it. Yeah.
Are you teaching Violetta how to use it? Good job.
Push that and then no there.
You gotta show her on the keyboard where to push. Where does she push it on the keyboard? Because she's pushing it on the screen. Show her.
This one. I think it's this one. What are you doing? Nothing. Just push it. Just move it.
Is there music on there?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Do the different one. Vanilla. You just push this. That's awesome.
That's awesome?
Yeah.
Yeah? You're pretty awesome.
No, you play awesome. Do the different one.
Are you having fun, Violetta? What are you doing? You're playing on the computer? Are you having fun? Yeah?
Happy day, fly a kite. And me didn't fly a kite either.
Oh, you didn't fly the kite today?
No.
No. I don't think it was very windy outside to fly a kite today.
Yeah?
Oh, was it?
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah. It was cool. And it flew away.
Yeah?
Yeah. I did it.
Okay, bye. You did it?
Yeah.
Are you finished playing now?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Love you.